harassment of a 62-year-old woman in the United States of America, nonstop. So this guy is if you can see it, but N30 305 BZ. He was less than 2,000 feet. Right now he's climbing 2125. Let's see who he is. 305 BZ. BZ. Freedom Air Aviation, Broomfield, Colorado. And that's interesting because on my Redbox application, I have a home that shows up on my infrasound detector from Broomfield, Colorado. So we'll check this out further. Freedom Air Aviation, LLC, Broomfield, Colorado. United Nations labeled, defined cyber torture. Just had the United States Air Force buzz my house a little while ago. I'll show you quick before I turn it off. There it is right there. They were, when I finally screenshotted it after it had already gone over, it was at 2,600 feet. Look how big this airplane is. And it says United States Air Force. See that? That huge thing was less than 2,600 feet over my house shortly this morning here. Why is the United States Air Force, why is the United States military terrorizing women in the United States of America? Documenting. It's July 24th, 2024. Over and out.